That's why for the next year, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude. Since I have like no tread, I gotta take it hella slow. But welcome back to another video, boys. Today's today's Sunday. Today's Resurrection Day. You know, at the end of the day, like I said, boys, cars are cool and stuff, but at the end of the day, you never know when your last day is. Holy, those turbos are insane, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Just listen to the spools, bro. It looks... Dude, those spools are freaking beautiful, dude. That is crazy, dude. That sounds scary, dude. It sounds so crazy because it's slipping, so it's just dude, just so much power put into the wheels. I literally have no back tread. Oh my. But like I said, boys, you know, you never know when your last day is, so just believe in Christ, man, because that's how you be saved. Just believe in Christ with all your heart and all your mind. You'll be saved. That's it, dude. It's that simple. I literally had one of my buddies from high school, same age as me, just passed away out of nowhere from I think he had a brain aneurysm, and pretty much, dude, like out of nowhere, nobody knew like how it happened, why it happened, and boom, gone from existence, bro. Like I don't know about you guys, bro, but that's like every time I hear, oh my freaking goodness, every time I hear about that, dude, it's just a wake-up call why you gotta serve Christ, man. Like I'm not perfect, no doubt about that, but I'm not perfect, but dude, I'm trying, man, you know. I know that at the end of the day, it's all about eternity, man. I'm gonna try to set up a tripod right now. But like I said, man, just keep... I'm probably gonna say a couple times in this video because it's just crazy, man. Make sure you give your life to Christ, man. You never know when your last day is, man. Never know. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna set up a tripod right here so you guys can... I'm gonna finally get some outside... I can't believe I haven't recorded any outside like sounds yet. Oh dude, this thing sounds so beautiful, man. Those turbos sound crazy. Oh, I freaking love this thing, dude. It's honestly crazy, like how many people my age passed away this year, dude. Like so many people my age have passed away. It's like almost seems like I feel like getting past 30 is like the mission right now. Like I'm not even thinking about being 70 yet, dude. I'm just trying to get through my 20s. Dude, if this wasn't residential, dude, this is like literally the perfect spot right here. Oh my gosh. But I hope you guys been enjoying the vids, man. You know, like these videos are just for me to drive the car, obviously for fun. You guys can tell I'm just doing this for fun. And you guys see me post on YouTube and there's ads playing. So what do you think that means, you know? So all I have to do is keep doing the same thing over and over, drive the cars, have fun, try to make more money on the side to buy even more cars, and rinse and repeat. You know, like I feel like there's so many videos, like SVJs for example. Like there's some good videos of SVJs, but I feel like there's so many like good videos out there. Just even simple videos of just driving the cars. Like there's not as many as I would like to have, you know, or I'd like to see. Like holy. That's why my goal is just to buy every single car and make a ton of videos the way I'm doing now, and obviously doing more modifications. I'm not there yet to do all these modifications yet, but hopefully one day. Not hopefully one day. One day we will for sure make it happen. It's just all about timing. I keep growing. Bro, dude, when it rains in California, it's so freaking beautiful. Gosh, when it slips, dude, it's so satisfying. Holy. Also, I've been driving the Hellcat recently, dude, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, like M5 gets more views now on Instagram, on YouTube, but the Hellcat is like, I don't know why, man, it's low-key more enjoyable to drive than the freaking M5. Definitely not gonna speed right now, dude, because I don't want to slip with these speeds. I can easily hydroplane right now. If I'm spinning with all four wheels, dude, I definitely do not want to be going fast right now. But yeah, man, I think in the next couple of years, I'm gonna try to buy for sure one property just as a rental, just like a little residence, in some other state, rent it out, and do it as a rental property. And I know there's a lot of benefits with that. You know, and then plus I'm putting my money somewhere where it grows. Hopefully I can make some like side dough. Oh my gosh. Sketch, bro. Oh, dude, it's so sketch. It's so sketchy, it's unreal. I gotta dip out of here though. It completely slips out, it's unreal. I'm gonna get the frick out of here though. Definitely gonna get a new tire soon. I'm gonna make a whole video on that and probably do a little quick burnout before I get them replaced and stuff. But right now I've just been focusing on work, focusing on trying to learn about other like real estate stuff, because you know obviously buying a property is like one thing, but there's like so many different ways to make money. I'm trying to like be cautious. My main concern is like before I buy a property, I want to make sure that when I rent it out, I'm not going negative. You know what I mean? Like I want the property to pay for itself pretty much, and then make profits after like a couple of years, you know? I just want to have a property, at least some kind of property, because properties are always good investments. Real estate is always a good investment rather than cars. And also stocks is too, to a certain extent, if you buy the right ones. Like I invested into this one JP Morgan stock. Oh my gosh. Yo. Holy. I can't imagine having like a titanium pipe on this car. But like for example, I bought this one JP Morgan stock that pays 9% a year, 8% a year in dividends. I'm up on the stock 3.5%, and I only put like close to 10 G's, made about $700 off the share itself, and I made like a couple like $300 off dividends. And I'm like, dude, I barely put any money in. So I started doing the math. I'm like, what if I put all the down payments I put on these cars, I just put it into JP Morgan stock that pays dividends and went up in value. Dude, I would have made like probably 10 G's off the share itself, and then off dividends I probably would have made like another 5 G's. So I would have appreciated my freaking money. But like I said, I bought this car with a bigger purpose than just to drive it. Definitely shifted late there, but I thought it would keep spinning. Because when it spins, dude, it just keeps going. Like, it doesn't even trip. I just can't wait one day to like have a freaking Ferrari, bro. And just like, you know, when you have a Ferrari, dude, it's so freaking satisfying. Because it's like, I think the RPMs go up to like 12 or something crazy like that. It's unreal, dude. Oh, dude. This It's so fun, bro. I'm just so curious how this car's gonna sound like with titanium pipes. Like, I don't even know how to even like. I just like don't know. I've been procrastinating it because, dude, I've been really trying to focus on saving up my money on, because I do plan on doing something with real estate this year. If not this year, for sure next year. So I'm just trying to stack up as much dough, and whatever money I use for the exhaust, that's like after I invest it and get like tax returns, pretty much. So I'm still waiting on my tax returns, actually. Oh my gosh, dude. But yeah, dude, like, another thing I can say for you guys is, like, every single hour extra you spend at work, let's say you work 200 days in the year, that's 200 hours extra per year you're gaining experience, you know? So that's kind of what I've been telling myself. Like, every time I'm at work, I'm like, man, I'm tired, I want to go home. Just work one more hour, bro, because in 1 year, like 200 more hours of work, not only will you get paid a lot more, you'll get paid literally like that's like about almost 4 weeks, more than 4 weeks of work, and you get more experience within the same year. 1 hour extra per day, bro, ain't nothing, bro. That's like watching like a YouTube video. Instead of watching a YouTube video at home, you're working 1 more hour. Like, it'll pay off, dude. That's why for the next year, dude, oh my gosh. Dude, I wasn't even pushing the gas and it was just going sideways because there's just no grip in the back. There's none. It's gone, bro. Oh yeah, dude. I forgot what I was even talking about, dude. Fudge, man. Oh yeah, so that's why the next couple of years, dude, I'm just focusing on like the next 5 years, just grinding as much as I can, growing as much as I can, investing as much as I can, and then buy a house for myself around that time frame. Not like at the end, but like around that same time. So we'll see, boys, we'll see. You know, all these videos are for me to drive the car, it's for me to enjoy, for you guys to hear the car. But at the end of the day, I want to prevent you guys from buying these cars as well. Because it will bring joy, man, but to a certain extent it's gonna drain your money. So just keep focusing on just try and grow and making more money different ways, not only from your 9 to 5. There's so much money to be made in this world. There's so many different ways to make money, boys. You got this. Sheesh, bro. It's crazy. It's raining like crazy in LA. I'm so happy to be back in Los Angeles, man. I love LA, man. Something about LA is so different, man. Like, I've been to a ton of different states. There's something about this place. Property tax, though, is disgusting here. That is why I have not bought a house. Dude, property tax here, my dad is paying. So for me to buy, if I want to buy a house for myself right now, boys, that's about 600K, 500K for like a normal house, decent house, which is pretty insane. And I'm gonna be probably paying around $20,000 a year just on property tax. If I go to Arizona, I'll pay 1/10 that, or even like maybe a little bit more than 1/10, but way less. Like, this is why I bought these cars. You guys think it's a waste of money, and obviously buying properties is a good idea too, but bro, 20K, 10 to 20K for property tax, like, maybe once I make 200K a year, like whatever, I'll eat the price. But right now, dude, if you guys enjoyed the vid, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.